Hello everyone, it's 11th July. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. On the first page we have, the first page which is the world page, we have Trump says US agreed to Iran's request for talks but truce is over. Then we have Sheikh Hasina plans Bangladesh return in December, says may get killed, arrested. Then we have protests erupt in Nepal after self-immobilization by youth. Then we have China achieves first controlled recovery of reusable rocket booster. Then we have man partly sucked out of the plane window, others pull him back in. All these news are relevant for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have E20 here to stay, giving choice not feasible, says government. Then we have Modi, first Indian Prime Minister to visit New Zealand in 40 years. Trade and sports top agenda, again relevant for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have in trafficking racket probe, cops find desire for male child link. Moving forward, we have CAG flags deficiencies in Maharashtra budget, financial management of Ladki Behan scheme. Moving forward, we have High Court restrains Election Commission from notifying by-polls to 5 Tamil Nadu seats until July 31st. Again, relevant for polity and governance perspective. Then we have Kerala birth rate has reached an all-time low. 7 takeaways, again relevant for society perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have next leap will come from bringing AI and digital public infrastructure together. Then we have easing on China's right move at right time. Moving forward, we have our universities need a reset, not China playbook. Moving forward, we have a rice meant for ethanol production diverted in Madhya Pradesh. Then we have El Nino strengthens could develop into strongest since 1950, says US agency, again relevant for environment perspective. Then we have the explained page where we have why weekly diabetes short could reshape treatment. Then we have landslides, the need for the early warning systems, again relevant for science and tech perspective. Then we have June inflation may breach RBI 4% target, transport is driving this, again relevant for economy perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.